Exploring Rolling Meadows, Unveiling the Beauty of Language. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the picturesque world of English idiomatic expressions. Our focus is on rolling meadows, a phrase that paints a vivid picture with just 2 words. Get ready to explore its meaning and usage. Rolling meadows refers to a large area of open land covered with grass, which gently slopes up and down. It's not just a geographical term, but it also evokes a sense of peace, natural beauty, and vastness. Imagine an endless green landscape, with hills that rise and fall like waves. That's what rolling meadows are all about. This expression is often used in literature and everyday language to describe scenic beauty or to evoke a feeling of calm and tranquility. For example, the rolling meadows of the countryside were a soothing sight after the chaos of the city. It's a metaphor for anything that's serene, continuous, and harmonious. Rolling meadows is an excellent example of how language can create vivid visual imagery. It helps the listener or reader visualize a scene, enhancing the emotional and sensory experience of the language. This kind of imagery is vital in creative writing, poetry, and storytelling. In many cultures, meadows are associated with openness, growth, and fertility. Thus, the phrase can also symbolize new beginnings or a peaceful state of mind. It's a reminder of the beauty of nature and how it can influence our feelings and perceptions. I hope this journey through the rolling meadows of language has been enlightening and enjoyable. English is a language rich with imagery and emotion, and expressions like rolling meadows show just how beautiful it can be. Keep exploring, and let the beauty of language take you to new horizons.